Welcome to Bacala Stories. Oh man, this is not a GoPro. So guys, I'm here in one beautiful place. It's called Bacala, Mexico. So this is Bacala, Mexico. As you can see, that's Eva. Yeah, that's Eva over there. And that is a beautiful place. This is my neighbors. And we're living right here in the house. But there's a problem in paradise. Look at this thing, man. It's my new DJI MAVIC Eye. Look what it does. Look. I don't know if you can see that. Like the camera. Look. The camera keeps on like popping up and down, popping up and down. Look. You see that? I can't even film, man. I can't even do anything. So, I don't know how to explain this. I'm not a technician. This thing is like, I bought it in December and this is May, so it's like 5 months old. It's very new, but look what it does, man. Look at the image. Tell me, DJI MAVIC Eye, was this meant to be a scam? Because you can't tell me it's like something is so this new. It still has even the stickers, you know. It has the stickers, but look. I don't know, man. I'm so disappointed. I took a whole time like planning my trip over the last 6 months, and I'm here right in the beautiful island. I can't even fly my drone. I just need some compensation. I just need some compensation, man. This must be a scam. Explain to me how a very new drone like this. And I've gone to the internet, I've seen lots of people have the same problem. Lots, not just me, look. Was this a scam? Let's just be honest, DJI MAVIC. Do you want us, your plan was we use the drones for 6 months and then I bought this drone far away from where I am, man. Very far away. Even if I'm to go for a warrant, just flying back to where I bought this drone means I have to be, it's better buy a new one. DJI MAVIC Eye. Man, I love this drone. It's magical, man. It has changed my videos. But now with this, I feel this is a scam. Yeah. And you guys should give people solutions of this such type of problems. I can't even film, man. Look. Give us some solutions, man. And or you should have your own technicians in many countries. We don't have to send these things to the US and back and wait. Give us some solutions, like let your technicians be in some countries. As long as you sell your products in those countries, we need the technician in those countries. And man, I'm so disappointed. I can't even film, man. I can't. everything is okay. I can't film. I can't film, man. Look, this all is saved. See this? That's all you see. It's my phone over there. It's just here. Even if I say ready to go, it can't even film, man. Look. Look, man. What a disappointment. Look right here. See that?